They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep.
Oke guys, sekarang kita lagi ke supermarket lagi nih ya. Gue lagi nyari-nyari snack lagi buat mereka nyoba ya. Tadi gue ketemu ini sih, ini momogi nih. Menurut gue ini lumayan unik ya, karena nggak ada di mana-mana lagi cuy momogi ya. Jadi kita juga habis makan Minjee. What do you think about Minjee? You like that? Enak?
Tapi tidak spesial untuk aku.
Tidak spesial, it's nothing special. It's very cheap, it's special.
Tapi tidak spesial untuk aku.
Is it worth it? It's cheap. It's only 16k. 16k. It's cheap, right?
Oh, ini okay.
Yeah, okay. Okay, well, let's find some unique snack. Let's see. Oke guys, kita udah balik nih ya, udah nyampe di apartemennya Nur ya. This is your apartment, right? You own this all this building, right? Yeah, yeah. This is your apartment. Oke. Jadi udah kita jadinya mau makan di mobil ya. Kita akan coba snack-snacknya dari Indonesia ya. This is the original snack from Indonesia. Original. Okay, which one should we try first?
Me?
Choose.
Put your hand in and just grab something.
Not that. That's anything. Okay.
Oh.
Yes. This let's just try, okay? Shall we?
In Korea, we have the exact same thing that looks
Really?
like this and smells the same.
Really?
Yeah.
It's not that special then. It's okay. Just try.
And tastes the same.
It's really good. I like this.
Is it fried? Like
It's not fried.
it tastes like
I think
it's fried.
I think it's roast. Yeah. So 1 to 10. Walang chocolate sauce.
9.
Sauce. 9. What about you?
8.5.
8.5. I give this 9. It's really good. Yeah, you take. Okay, ini. Super oven. Spicy.
Tapi ini dari Jepang.
See? Indonesia. Yeah, it's Indonesian. I know it's Indonesian. Okay, let's just try. So this is like a peanut that coated with some batter. I don't know, some batter that is roast. I don't know if it's roast or. Okay, let's try.
It smells like something we have in Germany. You know, knick-knack?
I don't know knick-knack.
Knick-knack? It's like the same. Like
In Korea, we have the exact same thing, but it's like when you drink beer, you eat this with the beer.
Oh, okay. It's good though.
Yeah, we have it.
I'm not a fan, but yeah, it's okay.
It's nothing new, so
This goes good
It's not-
along with alcohol.
it's not even worth to chew.
Haram, alcohol haram. Astaghfirullah. Haram. Don't drink alcohol, Minjee. Enough. Just eat this. It's good. Wait, rate first. Wait.
7.
You? Nur? 7. I give this 6. I don't like this. 6. Yuppie! This is one of my favorites. You have this in Germany.
Ada.
Ada?
Tapi
You sure?
sedikit beda.
It's Indonesia.
It's Indonesia. See, it's Indonesian. I knew it. This is one of my favorites. I give this 10. I already know the taste. 10.
Yummy.
Oh, I got 2.
10. Right? 10. 10 for me.
You read like that much?
But it's like
10.
9.
Why?
It's not chewy enough.
There's a thing that tastes exactly the same from Haribo,
Yeah.
and it's better.
I don't like Haribo. I'll try Haribo. I like UP better. Oh yeah, you. Let's go on. Okay, this.
Keju susu.
I think this is very unique because it's keju.
Aduh, orang Indo suka.
Yeah, orang Indo suka.
Sangat suka keju.
Suka keju dan rasanya keju Indonesia manis, ya kan? Keju usually is salty, right? Yeah, but it's manis in Indonesia.
Should I try it? Oh wait.
Cheers.
Huh?
Yeah, it's good.
In Korea, we have the same thing that tastes like this.
You have everything in Korea that's like Indonesian food.
So I think this Korean snack is similar to Indonesian snack. Yeah. We're both still in Asia. Do you ever taste something like this in Germany?
No.
Nggak pernah.
Because
something similar?
We don't have much snacks with cheese.
Okay, next. Oh, wait. I almost forgot. Wait. This.
It's not bad, but it's not like wow.
5.
7.
The one in Korea is better.
I like this. I give this an 8. 8.5. It's not bad. Okay, this is actually really funny. I saw this, and I think I never tried this as well. I don't know. I don't taste.
Kenapa? You're not a woman.
Yeah, I'm not a woman. This is herbal Indonesian jamu. It's jamu. You know jamu? It's like a herbal Indonesian drink for a girl who have period. You know.
Yeah.
Datang bulan, kiranti. Yeah, let's try. Come on. Can you open it?
No.
Let me open it.
In Korean, they're like. Wow. It's strong. The smell is
Go
strong.
first.
Good smell first. Smell.
Okay.
Oh gosh, damn.
Let's try.
No.
How is it?
No.
Rate this.
It's for period cramp, you know. It
It's
will
so
relieve.
disgusting.
It will relieve your period cramp. It's good.
Rate this.
3.
So like, if this.
You can't drink it like a X because if you have cramp, then just. No,
So-
actually, it's a 2.
So what if this actually can like cure your pain?
Yeah.
Would you
Yes,
drink this?
because-
Would you drink this?
So like, would you drink this if it actually helps you?
Yes. I would like that one. Like.
So that's mean period cramp and this. Which one's better? This, right? This is better than period cramps.
I just got me some obat line, so just try.
Is it good?
Actually, I like this.
What? Okay,
I
I don't know.
no,
I
no.
never tried.
After you
Should I
drink it,
drink
I'll
this?
drink. Yeah.
Should I drink this?
Yeah. After you drink it, I'll drink the whole thing. I like this. It tastes like I don't know what it's called in English, but I like this type of food.
It smells like.
The
Yeah.
ginger taste is very strong.
What is this called?
Kurkum. What is it called? Not ginger.
I
not
think it's
ginger.
hongsam. It's hongsam. You go.
I
Not
know
ginseng. Not ginseng.
Yeah.
Not ginseng.
Not
Ginseng. Not jahe.
It's hongsam. It's
Not
I'm
like.
looking
ginger.
for the English
Yeah, I want
one.
to translate.
Okay, I know it because I know it from the German word.
I like this. It's bad first.
Yeah, it's bad. It's
but
bad.
then later it's okay.
No, it's bad. The smell is bad,
Let
but
me-
the
let me
taste
see
it
it
doesn't
again.
really bad. It's not that bad, you know.
We're
The
looking
taste.
for the
No.
orange one, right? Oh yeah, just.
Rasanya sih nggak terlalu ini sih ya, nggak terlalu enak banget, cuma baunya aja tuh. Baunya,
I
the
have
smell
to-
is strong.
Can you?
Can I just?
The smell is strong though. The taste is not bad. It's not that bad.
It's like the Chinese tea you gave me.
No, Chinese tea is good.
No,
What do
no,
you
it
mean?
has also a strong.
Oh, a strong smell, yeah, but taste is good.
Okay.
Yeah.
The smell is
Let
strong.
me translate this.
Kurkumin apa?
Curcuma domestic rhizoma. What is this? What is this? I forgot what's the name though. It's not lengkuas. It's not lengkuas. What is it called?
It's this. Can I see this?
It's an Indonesian
Wait,
thing.
You need translation?
Yeah, Korean to Indonesian.
It's this.
I know what this is, but I don't know what this is called.
Yeah, this thing. Oh, kunyit. Yes, I know kunyit. It's kunyit. Yeah, it's kunyit. Yeah, kunyit. It's kunyit. Kurkumin, kunyit. It's this.
Okay. Not this and this.
It's kunyit.
It's for you.
Huh?
Both of us we're not having period right now, so you can have it.
Yeah.
I don't even have periods.
I feel like you're hamil.
Oh yeah, maybe later if I'm on period, okay? Momogi. One of the best snacks. My childhood snacks. I cannot really explain what is this made out of. You have, because this is something different. It's so different. You have to try it. Like explain this to you, like what it is made of. What it is made of, like the.
I tried it
What is it?
already.
There's exactly same thing.
What is this?
오곡 라떼 바.
What is that?
I used to eat like this when I'm like a kid.
Yeah, me
So-
too. This is like my childhood thing.
We have it in Turkish and in German.
But in
as
Korea,
well.
it's
Oh,
like
really?
it's like long and like round shape.
Yeah, that's like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, but they make it like this, so it's easier to eat.
And in Turkey, it's in German, it's like a ball.
Oh, like a ball, yeah.
So
This is a corn flavor, roast corn.
you put the other was cheese. I don't know.
Hey, wait.
But it's-
Have you rated this?
I rated no.
What would you rate it?
Like right now.
Yeah, right now.
2.
You?
Like 7.
I give this
What?
a 4. It's not bad. It's not bad, but I still can drink it, you know.
It's like
not
something
too
I
bad.
would drink if I have nothing else there, like no other medicine or something, and I need a relief.
This.
But we don't know even if it has a relief.
This
or
is
something.
like 9.5.
9.5. You?
8.
8. I give this 9.5. I like this so very much.
I think there's something else inside.
That's one thing left,
One
right? One thing left. Yeah, this one. I don't think you guys have this in anywhere.
Are you sure?
I don't know. I'm just.
I just throw it away.
This is choki.
Up.
Choki.
Let me see.
It's a chocolate. It's like you eat chocolate, you know. Like you eat like Nutella. Do you know Nutella? Yeah, you eat like Nutella. Like that. What is it called, Nutella? It's a jam. No, it's not a jam. It's choki.
Okay, so how do I eat it without doing a mess?
Look, you you can tear
What?
tear
What
from
did you
it.
just say?
I said look way. Tear. Yeah. Like it again.
That's something I would buy.
In Korea, we have this, but it's like shaped like pen.
It is a pan.
Like
A pen? What do
this
you
is
mean
like a
pen?
stick, you know. You know, like the cake decorating pen. It's shaped like this, but it's like this is inside.
Choki. I will definitely buy that.
You like this?
Because I'm in love with chocolate in general. And that's perfect for me.
I'll give you a 10. I like this.
Me too.
10? So choki is the winner. The winner. So, top 3. Say it, top 3.
This
This is number 1. Number 2.
and the corn.
This, number
Yeah.
2. Hold it. Number 3.
And then,
At the first one though.
Piranti.
yeah.
Piranti.
No.
The sauce, chocolate sauce.
Yeah.
Oh, this one.
But I also like the strawberry kiss. But these are my favorite.
What about you?
First, this, and then that one. That one.
First one.
First, second,
third. Oh, okay. Mine is like
first,
Second. Second.
Actually, I like it all. I like first, second, you guys. I know, first myself, I love myself. Second, you guys. Third, all the food
You
here.
can't put 2 people in one place.
I can.
No.
You guys are my
No,
friend.
you can't.
You guys are my friend.
No, you can't. Nothing like that happens. You have to choose one.
I'm not gonna choose as my comments.
One or none.
Terima kasih nonton video ini. Jangan lupa like guys. Jangan lupa
subscribe.
comment bawah subscribe.
Dia lancar ya.
Say
Buat
it in Korean.
여러분 시청해주셔서 정말 감사하고요. 좋아요랑 구독 까먹지 마시고
I heard it's
댓글도 한
Japan.
번씩 남겨주세요. 그러면 오늘은 여기까지고요. 그러면 감사합니다. 안녕.
Okay, say it in German.
I guess nicht so liken zu fighten. Zu folgen.
Say it in Turkish.
Takip etmeyi unutmayın. Like bırakın. Ve teşekkür ederiz. Bye.
Thank you guys for watching. Salam santai. Bye.